Don't see the voice us, so I'm on my side. I'm feeding off this rust. Getting hard and money getting hard. I'm very getting fucked. I'm living like a zombie. I'm ready to reach my dawn. And money on me catch that. Waiting to a hashtag.
No, Finn, there's only one way.
Go to the bank, make a deposit. We not GLE, no deposit. Kicks it like Bruce Lee, no kamikaze. Sorry, I'm cocky, but as you can see, I ain't too godly. Ain't it? But you see, I got a shot. When you try to claim my crown. Know you be counting me, it's just all that talking down.
No, Finn, there's only one way.
Corner, get out the fucking video. So I dropped off these fucking units to a tire shop that's like right down the road from my house, and they don't have like a fucking, they took them off the streets, put the 35s on them, and they couldn't get them to bead up. They don't have like, the beaders and shit ain't fucked up. They don't have like the little air blaster to blast them on the bead, and they were kind of tired of fucking with it, so they charged me a little bit just to put them on the tires and take these off. But what I'm gonna do is bring it to Drew and them at L&L. Like, I mean, they put all this fucking slime shit to try to let it seed up with an air compressor. And obviously it ain't fucking work. I could probably fucking put some fucking gas on these fuckers or lighter fluid and might be able to get it. I actually might try that, to be honest with you, but so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna fucking do. But these streets I'm gonna try to sell, get a little money back off them, but these, they just got to wait to get on the 35s for a little bit. Me and the fucking place in Parks couldn't fucking do them. I got Papa Drew on the case. They're over there somewhere. They're gonna mount them today. Shouldn't take too long. But they got a clean ass Defender, limited Defender in there. They're doing powder and all kind of shit too. Just put A-arms in the lift. They put a turbo on it. I should have videoed it, but I didn't think about it. Maybe I'll do it later. Slime. Fucking lemon.